Is your engine shaking, misfiring, and flashing a P0351 code? That specific code points directly to a malfunction in the ignition coil primary or secondary circuit for cylinder number 1. Modern engines use a coil-on plug system, meaning each cylinder has its own ignition coil sitting right on top of the spark plug. The powertrain control module, or PCM, controls this coil by grounding and ungrounding the driver circuit to create the spark. When the computer detects an open or a short in that circuit for cylinder 1, it triggers this code and might even shut down the fuel injector for that cylinder to protect the engine. The symptoms are hard to miss. You will likely feel a steady or intermittent engine misfire, rough idling, and see the malfunction indicator lamp illuminated. Common causes include a short to voltage or ground in the driver circuit, a loose connection at the coil, a broken connector lock, a bad ignition coil, or in rare cases, a faulty PCM. To diagnose this, start simple. If the engine is misfiring right now, wiggle the wires at the number 1 coil and along the harness. If the idle changes, you found your wiring issue. Check for chafing or poor connections. If the wiring looks good, you can test the driver signal. Disconnect the number 1 coil, start the engine, and use a voltmeter set to the Hertz scale. You should see a reading between 5 and 20 Hertz, which tells you the computer is trying to fire the coil. If you see that signal, your wiring is likely fine, and the ignition coil itself is bad and needs replacing. If you do not see that Hertz signal, you need to check for DC voltage on the driver circuit. Significant voltage means a short. If there is no voltage, turn the car off and check for continuity between the PCM and the coil connector. If there is no continuity, you have a broken wire to repair. If you have continuity but still no signal, the driver inside the PCM might be fried, often caused by a bad short, so be careful. Fixing this promptly ensures your engine runs smooth and you do not dump raw fuel into your exhaust.